start our class. So till question number 2 we have done, right? So now we will start from question number 3. So draw the diagram. So this is AB. Okay, so this is the diagram. So from the diagram, what is given? You see in the question, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so you can clearly see that AB is parallel to CD. So we can use our alternate angles and what corresponding angles, right? And clearly we can see what that this is 90 degree. Okay, it should be given in the question also that EF is parallel to what CD. So it is given. You see EF is parallel to what CD. Okay, that means this angle is 90 degree. If this side angle is 90 degree, then this side angle will also be what? 90 degree, okay? Understood? Say if this is 90 degree, if this side is 90 degree, very simple, this side will also be what? 90 degree, okay? Very simple, 90 will be what? 180, okay? So what else is given? And angle GED. GED is this complete angle, okay? This is angle GED, okay? This is angle GED. GED is how much? 127 degree. Oh, sorry, 126 degree. So what we have to find? We have to find angle AGE. AGE. This is angle AGE. Then GEF. GEF. This angle. And then angle FGE. Okay. Okay. So given, let us write question number 3. Given AB is parallel to CD. Given AB is parallel to CD, and what is given, comma, EF is perpendicular to CD, and angle GED will be equal to what? 126 degree. Okay. So these are given in our question. Now we have to find what? At first, angle AGE. Which one is angle AGE? This one is angle what? AGE. Okay, this angle is what? Angle AGE. So how we will find angle AGE? Okay. So you see at first one rule you see, okay, for parallel lines. Say this is the transversal, okay. So what will be the alternate angle? So pretty simple, right? With this angle, what will be the alternate angle? This one will be the alternate angle. So now you see, with this angle AGE, since AB is parallel to CD, so with angle AGE, with this angle, which will be your alternate angle? Now here the student makes mistake. What? They say what? That this angle will be alternate angle. This is wrong, okay? With this angle is not alternate angle. So how will we understand which angle will be what? Which angle will be alternate angle? So you see, this angle, an angle will have how many points? 2 points, okay? Since there are two arms of an angle. Right? If I draw an angle, so this is an angle. So this is arm number 1 and this is what? Arm number 2. So an angle has what? 2 arms. One point touching to this arm and the other point touching to this arm, okay? So you see, this angle is also what? Touching to this arm and touching what? To this arm. Means what I am saying, one point will be touching to the parallel line and other point will be touching to what? To the transversal, okay? Similarly over here also you see, one point will be touching to the parallel line and the other point will be what? Touching to the transversal. Same thing goes for corresponding angles also, okay? So if you see this angle, one point is touching to the parallel line, this one, okay, and the other point is touching where? To the transversal, okay. So this angle if I draw, so this angle, then one point is touching to the transversal, correct, but this point is touching where? This point is touching over here. this is neither the parallel line nor the transversal. Understood? So this can't be your alternate angle. Okay, don't make this mistake. It looks like that this is the alternate angle, but this is not the alternate angle. So which will be your alternate angle? With angle AGE, see this angle will be your alternate angle. Okay, angle GED. You see this angle is touching to the transversal also, and this angle is touching what? To the parallel line CD also. Understood? So with angle AGE, what angle will be equal? Angle GED. Understood? It is touching to the transversal and parallel line also. So you have to understand, okay, whether this will be the alternate angle or this will be the alternate angle. So now we have understood that with this, which will be the alternate angle? Angle GED. Why? Because one point is touching to the transversal, one point is touching to the parallel line. Similarly over here also one point is touching to the transversal, one point is touching to the what? Parallel line. Okay, so I can write now angle AGE will be equal to what? Angle GED. What is the reason? The reason is alternate angles. Okay, done. So which implies angle AGE will be equal to what? 126 degree. So one angle we have got. This angle is how much? 126 degree. Okay. So now the next angle is what? What is the next angle that we have to find? Angle GEF. Which is angle GEF? Okay, this angle now you have to find. This angle is what? Angle GEF. So how we will find? So very simple. This complete one is what? This complete one is GED, right? 126 degree. So from this complete, if I subtract this part, what will remain? Angle GEF will remain. See, I am simplifying the diagram. What is there? This is what? This is angle GED. Okay. This is the complete angle what? GED, 126 degree. And this is what? This is angle GEF. Okay. This is what? This is angle GEF. So from this complete angle GED, if I subtract this part, then what will remain? Angle GEF will remain. So what is this part that I have subtracted? This part is what? 90 degree. What is this part? This part, what is this part? The 90 degree part, right? So from this complete angle GED, if I subtract this 90 degree, I will get what? Angle GEF. So again, angle GEF will be equal to what? From this complete angle GED, if I subtract angle GEF, from this complete angle GED, if I subtract this part, what is the name of this part? Angle FED. Over here it is D, right? So what is the name of this part? FED. So from this complete angle GED, if I subtract angle FED, I will get what? Angle GEF. So put the value, which implies angle GEF will be equal to, what is angle GED? 126 degree minus, what is angle FED? FED, clearly I can see what? It is 90 degree, okay? 90 degree. If you want, you can write the reason. The reason is what? EF is what? Perpendicular to CD. Since EF is what? Perpendicular to CD. Understood? If you want, you can write. If you don't write also, then also it is okay, because in the diagram it is clearly mentioned as what? 90 degree, okay? Understood? If you have not understood, you see the diagram once again, okay? From this complete GED, if I minus this side, this portion is what? This portion is 90 degree, isn't it? This portion is what? 90 degree. If this 90 degree part, if I subtract, then I will get what? GEF. Now don't get confused by this. Say for example, I have written this part as 90 degree. Again I have drawn this one like that. Say for example like that. So this is the same angle, okay, 90 degree only. If this looks little bit larger, that doesn't mean it is more than 90 degree, okay. Even if you draw like this also, then also the value is what? Same 90 degree only. Okay. So if you subtract this part, means what? You will have to subtract 90 degree. Okay. If it is not clear, then you can ask in the next video. Again, I will explain. Okay. But if you see the diagram properly, if you break the diagram, you will understand what? It is what? 126 degree minus 90 degree. Means angle GEF is equal to what? From complete GED, if I subtract FED, I will get what? GEF. Okay. So subtract, you will get the value what? What is 126 minus 90? This is 6. This is how much? 36 degree. What is angle GEF? Angle GEF is how much? 36 degree. So what is the last angle that we have to find? Last angle is what? Angle FGE. Which one is angle FGE? This one is angle FGE. So this is very simple. See, this angle already we have, and this is a straight line. So these two are what? If you have practiced nicely, then you can surely say that these two are what? These two are linear pair, isn't it? Pretty simple to you. Okay, very easily we can find this one. This is a straight line. So this is what? 180 degree. So this plus this will be what? 180 degree. That means what? Linear pair. And this value already we have, angle AGE already we have found out what? 126 degree. So simply last step we will write now what? Again, angle AGE plus angle, which angle? FGE, right? Angle FGE will be equal to what? 180 degree. This is what? Linear pair, which implies angle AGE will be equal to what? 126 degree. 126 degree plus angle FGE we will find now, this one. So this is 180 degree, which implies angle FGE will be equal to what? 180 degree minus 126 degree. So now subtract this and our question is what? Completed. Okay. So which implies angle FGE will be what? 54 degree. So what is the value of angle FGE? 54 degree. So pretty simple. This linear pair. This how you will get from this complete GED. This part you have to minus, and this is what? Linear pair. So you see the diagram nicely. Okay. It is not that difficult also, but it is not that simple also. Okay. Sometimes this kind of thing, this complete minus 90 degree will be this angle. This kind of things create confusion also. Okay. It is not difficult. Yes, and it is not that very easy also, because some of you will definitely get this confusion. Okay, that how, which one we have to minus, when we have to add. So the only solution is where? The only solution is in the diagram. Anywhere else it is not there. Okay, only you have to understand the diagram. In geometry, if there is any help, the help is in the diagram and nothing else. Okay, so understand the diagram, you will understand the question itself. Okay, so next question, draw the diagram. Okay, so this is the question. See, one hint is given in this question, but in exam, in your question paper, you will not get this hint. Okay, so you don't memorize. Yes, by practicing you can memorize, but directly don't memorize. Okay, that in this question construction will come. So what you have to do? We have to draw a line parallel to ST through point R. Means from point R we have to draw a line what? Parallel to ST. Okay. Okay, let us see the question in the figure 6.31. PQ is parallel to ST. This PQ is what? Parallel to ST. Don't get confused. Okay. So this is ST This is ST and over here is what? PQ. So they are parallel only, okay? Only this line is not drawn. They are parallel only. If you extend this line, then they are parallel only, okay? So don't get confused that how these two lines are parallel. Always the lines will not be like that, okay? This part they have erased, this part they have erased, and they have said what? PQ is parallel to ST. So understand the diagram, again I will say. Okay, PQ is parallel to ST. Angle PQR it is given 110. This one is 130. Find angle QRS. Which angle we have to find? This angle QRS we have to find, okay? So write the given question number 4. Given PQ is parallel to what? ST, comma, angle PQR will be equal to 110 degree and angle RST is equal to what? 130 degree. Find angle what? Find angle QRS. So now in the question one hint was there. So that hint is what? From R we have to draw a line parallel to what? Parallel to ST. So we will draw how? This way. Okay, this way we will draw a parallel line. Give a name over here, any name. Say PQRST UVWXYZ, right? Say I will give over here Z. Okay. Any name you can give U also, PQRST U also you can give over here any name. So this is the construction that we have to do. This hint is given in this question, but in exam you will not get this hint, okay? So now over here you write construction. So what we should write in construction? Whatever extra you have drawn in the diagram, that you have to write in construction. So what we have done? We have drawn a line which is parallel to what? ST. So we draw RZ parallel to what? ST. We draw what? RZ parallel to ST. Okay. So now let us solve the question. How we will solve? You see. See, these two are parallel. Okay. These two are parallel. First thing, these two are what? Parallel. And again, what is given in this question? That what? PQ is also parallel to what? ST. ST and this is parallel. ST and this is parallel. So PQ and RZ is also parallel. ST RZ parallel. PQ ST parallel. So PQ RZ also parallel. Okay. This thing we will use later on. Now you see, ST is parallel to what? RZ. So I can say that these two angles are what? These two angles are nothing but our co-interior angle. If you have again forgotten what is co-interior angle, what is co-interior angle? Those angles means interior angles lying on the same side of the transversal. So these two are parallel and this is what? This is the transversal. Okay. Understand the diagram. This is the transversal only. Okay. If you extend this line over here, then this is your transversal only. Okay. So these are what? These are nothing but interior angles on the same side of the transversal. And what was the property? That if you add the interior angles on the same side of the transversal, they will give you how much? 180 degree. That is what? Our co-interior angles is what? Supplementary. Okay. So with that formula we'll use and we will at first find this angle. Okay. Find this one. So now angle RST plus angle, this angle, what is the name of this angle? SRZ. SRZ will be equal to what? 180 degree. Reason you can give co-interior angle. Are what? Supplementary. Co-interior angles are what? Supplementary. Okay. So put the value of angle RST, which implies what is the value of angle RST? 130 degree. 130 degree plus angle SRZ will be equal to what? 180 degree. So take it to that side. Angle SRZ will be equal to what? 180 degree. 130 will go to that side. The calculation part is easy. Only you have to understand the diagram. So 5, right? 50 degree, isn't it? 50, 60, 70, 80. So what is the value of angle SRZ? 50 degree. We have got this angle. Okay, how much? 50 degree. Okay, this angle we have got. Which angle we need? We need this angle. Okay, this middle angle. So same logic. Again, that same logic which one we have done in question number 3 will again come. Okay, that same logic you will see afterwards. You will see now. Okay, so this one we have done. Okay, so now what we will write, that ST and PQ is what? Parallel. It is given in the question. ST and RZ is parallel. We have drawn this one. So therefore PQ and RZ will also be parallel, isn't it? So now you write, now PQ is parallel to what? ST. Okay, and we have got what? ST is parallel to RZ. ST is what? Parallel to RZ. So therefore PQ will be parallel to what? RZ. This line is very important. Okay, why it is important? Now you will see. So you see, with this 110 degree, which is your alternate angle? That same concept we have done in question number 3, isn't it? In question number 3 will come now here. Okay, see, with 110, this angle is not alternate angle. Okay, because this angle is what? This angle is touching with the transversal and this angle is touching over here. See, if I consider this angle, then this is the parallel line and this is the transversal. If I consider these two as parallel, then this is the parallel line, this is the transversal. So your transversal has changed. Okay, a parallel line can have lot of transversal. It is not fixed that only this will be the transversal or this will be the transversal. For these two lines, this is the transversal. For these two lines, this is the transversal. Understood? Say for example, this is the parallel line. Say this is the transversal. Okay. Again one more, say 3 lines are there, right? So one more line is there. Say like that. Okay. Again for this line, what? This is the transversal. So parallel lines can have lot of transversal. Okay. Okay. So you see, now this is the parallel line. So this is the parallel line, this is the transversal. So this angle is touching the transversal but not touching the parallel line. So you see, this angle will not be the alternate angle. Understood? Same concept that we have discussed in question number 3. Okay. So which will be the alternate angle? This angle, isn't it? This angle will be what? This angle will be our what? Alternate angle. So this is touching the parallel line RZ and touching the transversal. This is also touching the parallel line PQ and touching the transversal. So understood? Same like question number 3. Okay, how we have discussed that diagram, how we have done, same part we are discussing again. So I will write now therefore PQ is parallel to RZ. So I can say that angle PQR will be equal to what? Angle QRZ. Angle QRZ. What will be the reason? Alternate angles. And why I have said this line is important, that you have to write PQ parallel RZ, because if you don't write this line, you cannot say that they are alternate angles. Okay, in the question it is not said that PQ is parallel to RZ. So until and unless you write this line PQ is parallel to RZ, you cannot say that they are alternate angles. If parallel, then only alternate or corresponding. Understood? So you have to say at first that they are parallel, then only you can say that they are alternate angles. Understood? Okay. So from here what we will get? What is the value of angle PQR? This is 110 degree, which is equal to angle QRZ. So which implies angle QRZ will be what? 110 degree. So we have got this complete angle as what? 110 degree. Again you see the same concept we have used in question number 3 again will be used here. See, I need this angle. this angle QRS. In the question it is asked to find what? Angle QRS. So I need this angle. So how will I find this angle? Again same way. From this complete angle, if I subtract this angle, then what will remain? This will remain. QRS will remain. Same like question number 3. Okay. So now angle QRS. So this angle will be what? From this complete angle. What is this complete angle? QRZ. From this complete angle, if I subtract which angle? This angle. Okay, what is the name of this angle? This part. SRZ. I will get what? Angle QRS. So put the value. What is the value of QRZ? 110 degree. What is the value of SRZ? It was what? 50 degree, isn't it? So you see, from this complete angle, if I subtract this 50 degree, this part, if I subtract this angle, what will remain? QRS will remain, isn't it? So subtract 0. This is what? 60 degree. So what is the value of angle QRS? The value of angle QR is how much? 60 degree. Okay. So similar. Okay. You see, there was 2 points which were similar to question number 3. One this alternate part and one this subtraction part. Okay. Same like question number 3. Okay. Okay. So with this question number 4 completed, let us move to question number 5. Okay, so we will stop at question number 5 only, okay? Because you are seeing the video now at 9 AM, but I am recording it at now it is 2 AM, okay? So I am feeling very sleepy right now. So I have to sleep or else I will not wake up at 9 AM, okay? So in question number 5 we will wait today, okay? Actually it is 2:15 right now. It is about to get 2:30, okay? And after some time it will be morning only. So I have to sleep now. Okay, so this is our last question. Draw the diagram. This question is easy. Over here it is A. Over here it is A. Over here it is C. This is Q. PQR. Over here it is AB. CD. Then this is 50 degree. This angle is what? This angle is Y. This angle is X. This angle is 127 degree. Okay, so definitely I think so we need to find what X and Y, right? So in figure 6.32, if AB is parallel to CD, so okay, parallel are given, so we can apply alternate, we can apply corresponding, okay? Angle APQ, clear, it is given 50 degree and that angle is given at 127 degree. So at first write the given part. Given AB is parallel to CD, angle APQ is equal to 50 degree. Angle APQ is equal to what? 50 degree. And what? And angle PRD is equal to what? 127 degree. Find X and Y, okay? So you first take your time, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, how much you need, and you see the diagram properly, how you will find X and Y. Remember one thing, alternate and corresponding we can use. Mostly in the questions alternate angle is used, okay? Most of the question in the book, alternate angles are more rather than corresponding angles, okay? So over here also you will see alternate angles only, okay? Corresponding you will not get. So I have given the hints, alternate angle, find alternate angle, find X and Y. How? So you see X I can find very easily, isn't it? See, these two are parallel. See this 50 degree. Check this 50 degree angle. This is touching the parallel line, touching the transversal. Same thing this X, touching this parallel line, touching this transversal. So 50 degree and X is what? Alternate angle. If you observe the diagram correctly, I think you can find this one. That 50 degree and X is what? They are nothing but they are alternate angles, okay? Understood? But don't get confused. Y and 127 degree is not alternate angle, okay? 50 degree and x is alternate angle. Now once you see y and 127. So 127 is touching the parallel line, touching this transversal. But you see y is touching the transversal, but it is not touching the parallel line. The angle y is not touching the parallel line. Okay, so don't get confused that okay 50 degree and x is alternate angle. So similarly y and 127 degree is also alternate angle. This is wrong. Okay, these two are not alternate angles because y is nowhere touching the parallel line. But you see x, it is touching the parallel line. It is touching the transversal also. And with what? With 50 degree, you see it is touching the parallel line and it is touching the transversal also. So these are your alternate angles. Okay. So y and this is not alternate angle. Some other way we will find what? Y. Okay. How we will see later on. So now let us see at first find x. So now angle, this what is the name of this angle? APQ, isn't it? Angle APQ will be equal to what? What is the name of this angle? PQR, isn't it? PQR. What is the name of this x angle? PQR. Reason same, alternate angle. Alternate angles, okay? So what is the value of angle APQ? 50 degree. So angle PQR is how much? 50 degree. Okay, one done. So try by yourself how you will find angle y. Think. How we will find angle y. So you can use by alternate also. Okay, by alternate angles also we can find. But one more property today I will show you. Okay, that property we will discuss in our next exercise. But that property will make this answer easy, little bit easy to understand. Okay, but that property till now we have not got. Now I am not sure whether you have got in class 8, because in 8 though I have not included geometry part. Okay, in final exam only mensuration was there, surface area, volume. This geometry was not there. Now I am not sure whether in class 7 you have learnt or not. The rule was what? The rule was this one. We will learn in our next exercise. Okay, this thing we will learn in 6.3. Okay, the rule is very simple. In a triangle, how many sides are there? 3 sides are there. Side number 1, side number 2, side number 3. So how many angles are there? 3 angles are there. This angle, this angle, this angle. So the rule is what? In any triangle, if you add these 3 angles, if you add all the angles of a triangle, all the angles means what? A triangle has only 3 angles. So if you add all the angles of a triangle, the answer is, the sum is what? Always 180 degree. All the angles of a sum of all the angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. Now don't say this as supplementary. Okay, supplementary is only sum of 2 angles. Over here what? It is sum of 3 angles. This is not supplementary. Here the sum is 180 degree, but this is not supplementary. Okay, so this property you will learn in next exercise. Say in the next video we will learn this property. Okay, but till now we have not learned this one, and I am not sure whether in class 7 or 6, I don't know in 6 it is there or what, but in 7 you will get this property for sure. But I don't know. If you have got, then you know this one, and if you have not got, so you just now understand that all the angles of a triangle, if you add any triangle you draw, it will always be 180 degree. Okay, so with this property, this angle, this problem will be easier. Without this also we can do. How? This complete 127 degree will be equal to complete this angle, alternate angle. This 127 will be equal to complete this angle. Okay, then again how we will find y? From this complete angle, if I subtract 50 degree, I will get y. So this way also I can do the maths. Okay, but it will become difficult to understand for some of the students. This method will be difficult to understand. Then at first this is equal to this complete angle, then again you have to subtract 50 degree from it, then you will get y. So the best way, you see how I will do now. This way it will become little bit easier. Okay, so what rule I have said? All the angles of a triangle should be what? 100. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. Okay, so see how. Now this angle I have got how much? This x is how much? 50 degree, isn't it? What is the value of PQR? which implies x is equal to what? 50 degree. Okay, so now this angle I have got, this angle I will find. Okay, how many angle you need? 2 angles you need. Okay, only one angle you have got till now. One more angle is required. Which one? This one. This angle we need. Okay, other than else we cannot find. So how to find this angle? Very simple. That's why I am doing in this method. Okay, this method is very simple. How to find this angle? This plus this is 180 degree. Linear pair. This plus this is what? 180 degree, isn't it? So it is what? Linear pair. So now at first I need this angle. Okay, angle, what is the name of this angle? PRQ. Angle PRQ plus angle PRD. Angle PRD will be equal to 180 degree. The reason is what? The reason is linear pair. So you solve this one. What is the value of angle PRQ? Okay, sorry, PRQ we will find. So angle PRQ will remain as PRQ only. What is the value of angle PRD? PRD is how much? 127 degree. 127 degree. Take it to that side, which implies angle PRQ will be equal to 180 minus 127 degree. Okay, so which implies angle PRQ will be how much? This is 3, 2, 3, 53 degrees, isn't it? So what is the value of angle PRQ? 53 degree. Understood? So now what angles we have got? See, x we have got, right? This angle we have got, this x. Next, what angle I have got? PRQ. This angle also I have got very easily by how? Linear pair. Now see, in this triangle, 2 angles I have got. So another one very easily I can find. By what rule? Sum of all the angles of a triangle is what? Remember this rule. In next exercise anyhow we have to apply this rule. So better I will use it now only. Okay. So now I will write what? In triangle PQR. Okay, in this triangle PQR, if I add all the angles, first angle is what? Say this angle. What is the name of this angle? QPR. Okay, QPR plus what is the name of this angle? PQR. What is the name of this angle? PRQ. So in a triangle, in any triangle, there are always what? 3 angles are there. And if you add these 3 angles, your sum will always be what? 180 degree. Okay. So in bracket, you can write the rule. What is the name of this rule? In next exercise, you will learn the name of this rule is what? Angle sum property. So what is the name of this rule? Angle sum property. Okay, so you put the values. What is the value of angle QPR? QPR, the value is what? Y. Okay, Y plus what is PQR? PQR value is what? X. What is the value of PRQ? PRQ we have got how much? 53 degree, isn't it? 53 degree is equal to what? 180 degree, which implies Y we will find. What was the value of X? The value of X was what? 50 degree, right? Alternate angles. So 50 degree, 180 degree, which implies Y plus 50, this is 103 degree, 180 degree. So which implies Y will be equal to 180 minus 103 degree, isn't it? So which implies Y will be equal to what? 180 degree minus 103 degree, which implies Y will be equal to how much? Over here it will become 7, 1. Over here also it is how much? 7. So what was the value? The value of Y is how much? 77 degree. Okay. So we have done in a different way. Okay. This method in exercise 6.2 is not there, but doesn't matter, right? In exam when the question will come, So it doesn't matter whether it is coming from 6.2 or 6.3. Anyhow you can solve the answer. So in this way it will become easier. How? At first by linear pair, then by what? Angle sum property. So this you remind now, that all the angles of a triangle, if you add, how much you will get? 180 degree. Understand? In next exercise, in every question this property is there. Okay, in every question you will get this one. So better we use now only. One more way was there, what? That this 127 degree will be equal to what? Complete this angle. Okay, complete this one, alternate angle. Then again from this complete angle, if you subtract 50 degree, you will get how much? Y. So you see, if I show you, this complete angle will be what? 127 alternate. From this, if I subtract 50 degree, how much I will get? 7 and 7, same answer, 77 degree. Okay. So if you want, you can do in that way. If you find that way easy, do in that way. At first this and this complete is what? Alternate. Okay. This complete is alternate. Okay. This complete one is alternate angle. Then from this complete, if you subtract 50 degree, you will get what? Y. So that logic we have already done in question number 3 and 4. So you can apply this logic. But I find this is very simple. At first linear pair, then you add all the angles of this triangle, you will get how much? 180 degree. Okay. Okay, so today we will stop here. I am feeling very sleepy right now. Okay, so I have to stop here. Whatever is left, one more question is left, right? And then next exercise. So we will continue on next class. Okay, so thank you. That's all.